ஹைதராபாத்லேருந்து வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய அப்பாராவ் அவர்களை சிறப்புரையாற்ற அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறேன்.
வணக்கம். I'm Apollo from Hyderabad. I'm very sorry. Tamil தெரியாது. So I was permitted by the admins of the group to speak in English. Please excuse me. Firstly, I thank Chennai Terminal Garden Friends Group admins, Mary Garu and other admins for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to meet you all. And I am very happy to see a very big gathering. It shows that Chennai has lots of interesting gardeners. I congratulate them, each and every them who have made it to attend today's meeting. Regarding me, I think many of you may not be knowing. My name is Apparao. I am doing gardening for the last 20 years. But for the last 6 years, after retirement from the public sector bank, I have started full-fledged gardening. And my passion is to distribute seeds free of cost to any gardener who wants it across the country, nook and corners of the country. So far, I have sent the seeds to more than 22,000 gardeners across the country. And I collect very rare type of seeds, and that also I make it available to everybody. By the way, with the permission of the admins, we have a small group, Happy Gardeners group in Hyderabad. So many members are here also who are attending the meet. Happy Gardener group. Through that group also, we distribute the seeds to all the members. We have 2,500 members who are located across the country. Coming to the point, now earlier I used to grow a lot of varieties. I have grown 60 varieties of tomatoes, 25 to 30 varieties of brinjals, lot of varieties. Now the trend has changed. Everybody want to grow high yielding vegetables, high yielding and tasty vegetables. So my focus was shifted to these varieties of vegetable seeds. Now lot of things I have developed. Some seeds I got it from USA, I developed that. For example, I will tell you one jumbo brinjal white. Each plant will get 40 brinjals. That is the highest and comparable. So these varieties I developed, and I was told that Chennai people want to grow some special varieties which are grown in Andhra. Traditional north variety. They want to grow those seeds also. I try to make available to most of you. So one thing is 365 days chikudu. Chikudu means I think you all know. So that is that particular type you will get throughout the year, and that plant will survive up to 5 years. So you will get bumper crop and all the things. Another thing, latest entry is 365 days Bura, Rich Gold. You must be knowing, very high yielding. Like that, lot of things are there. Even Sara also, one variety, green round Sara. If you place that seed in the ground, you will get 250 fruits. 251% has grown from a single plant. So these are the latest varieties. So which will be made available to you. Coming to the point now, so many people, many gardeners do a basic mistake of sowing with seeds. So some people say that these seeds are not germinated, only out of 4, one seed is germinated. Many complaints will be receiving. The fault is that first seed, every seed has to be sterilized. That means at least for 30 minutes, you have to sterilize the seeds in a bowl of what you call either cow urine, WDC, OWDC, Dravajivamrutam, anything you have, even ash or pasupu, turmeric, anything, any medium, you just soak it for 15 to 30 minutes. That is an essential part before sowing the seeds, because each seed contains lot of pests and lot of microorganisms attached to it. There has to be washed away. Second thing is, don't sow the seeds directly into the pot or the small container. Soak it for half an hour and then you sow it either directly into the soil, big container, small container, seedling. Second thing, hard shell seeds. One is sora, what you call it is bottle gourd, bitter gourd, potla, and sora, what you call bira. These seeds will have double layers, very thick. Okay, are you getting me? Is it okay? Okay, are you interested what I am talking? Very interested. These seeds, okay, these seeds will have two layers. So the water has to go through the first layer and reach the second layer, inner layer. Then only the germination process will start. If you put these 4 or 5 types of seeds directly to the soil, whatever water you put it, it will go to the soil, it will not reach the seed. So many people complaining it is take 30 days, 40 days to germinate. So my advice is these seeds soak at least for 3 to 4 days, then sow the seeds. Okay, got my point? Okay. Third thing is, some people are putting the seeds in the big containers directly. Some people are putting the seeds in small, what we call paper cups or seedling trays. Okay, how many are putting in the seedling trays in paper cups? So what will happen now? Have you ever seen when the seedling is growing, it will suddenly fall down? Have you observed? Have you observed that? So, what it means, this is called, if you put directly in the soil, it will grow healthily. If you put it in what you call seeding trays and paper cups, so it will come very straight horizontally, and suddenly fall. That is called legis. This is due to lack of sunlight. If there is no direct sunlight, so the seeding will go horizontally, and for any wind or excess water, it will fall down. So, after it grows to 2-3 inches, expose gradually to the sunlight. Okay, man, got my point? Then it will survive. After it goes to 6 inches, 4 to 5 leaves, then you can transplant. So many people are doing the mistake in transplanting also. Very carefully you have to transplant, preferably in the evening time, cool time, to the bigger container. Okay, that is one. So second thing, Chennai, how are the rains? I don't know. Huh? Andhra, okay. So if you put directly the seeds into the soil, what called big containers, suddenly rains will come. What will happen? Rains or winds, heavy winds will come. So everything will be destroyed. So how will you protect it? Anybody is protecting it or leaving it? Anybody is getting my point? What you are doing? So, okay. Suppose in big container you put the seeds and the what you call seeding grows to 6 inches or 7 inches. If the wind is very high speed or the rains are falling heavily, so that will die. So what you do now, you take water bottle like this, cut it to half, reverse it, make holes. Upper part don't make holes, round make holes and cover that what you call seedling or one small plant, so that it will withstand the wind because it will not shake. Second thing, even if the rain falls, so upper part you are not making the holes, only side make it will not affect anyway. Third thing, through the holes which you are making, the plant will get the sufficient air and sunlight also. Okay, am I clear? That is the one way of, that is the best way of to protecting the plants in rainy season. Okay. Second thing, many people ask when to sow the seeds. Which time? June, July, August, September. When? Which month?
August.
Why? Why August? Yes. See, for this, many people
after rains, first rains, they immediately sow the seeds. What will happen in Chennai, Hyderabad, anywhere, after the first showers of monsoon, again summer will start. Extreme heat, it will go to up to 38, 39 degrees. So whatever you planted the seeds, they will be damaged. So let showers, 1 or 2 showers happen, monsoon season. Then climate, let it cool down to at least 32 to 33 degrees Celsius, which is the best time to sow the seeds. Okay, the best time. Again during October, November, you may sow the seeds. 2 seasons. Now, you might have observed many people, for any type, earlier 10-15 years back, every fruit or every vegetable used to have some season. Some mangoes, particular season, some sitapals, particular season, or different fruits used to have different seasons. Now there is no season. All fruits, all vegetables are growing throughout the year. You agree with me? So that is the thing, that is the very little thing I can say to it. Whatever little I know, I have shared with you regarding seeds germination, seeds, what you call, and finally, many people will save the seeds. How many people are saving the seeds? Everybody is saving the seeds. So what is the lifetime of seeds? 1 year, 6 months. Any other? Which seed? Madam is saying 6 years. So I'll tell you a small example regarding tomatoes, because I am very familiar with tomatoes. While extracting the seeds, if you follow one process is called fermentation process, the seed can be preserved up to 6 years, 5 to 6 years. That is, extract the tomato seeds along with the juice and pulp, put it in a bowl, just 3 days stir it, so that one thin layer will form at the outer part of the seed, and which will protect the seed for up to 6 years. That is called fermentation process. Other seeds, how will you preserve the seeds? Put it in a fridge. Why use a tissue paper? For that the part. You see, Madam is telling, sorry to correct you. Madam is telling, she extract the seeds, put it in the tissue paper, again in sealed cover, and put it in the fridge. Ziploc cover. Freezer. Okay. First mistake many people are doing is, without fully drying, they are saving the seeds. It will attract the fungus. So for example, brinjals, everybody is familiar with. So for brinjal seeds, simply extract it, wash it thoroughly in a shaded place without exposing to the sunlight, because they will burn away. 2 days, you just touch it, you will know that they are fully dried. You can store it. There are different ways of. One more thing, some people are mixing some ash or something, nothing. You need not mix anything, just put it in a Ziploc cover, in a shady place or fridge, you can preserve it and share it later. Any doubts, 1 or 2 I will clear, because I am taking much of your time. Any subject?
நீங்கள் கேளுங்க அவங்க ட்ரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க.
So coming back to the pests and insects, my brother is telling benda, what you call it is benda or a lady finger. First is mealybugs. Mealybugs, white, small insects, they will inject. The problem is there, whatever you spray, they will not go. Neem oil spray, anything you spray, they will not go, because it will have a very thick, what you call, outer shell. Okay, so whatever you spray, first thing, whenever you see big size mealybugs, remove it with brush or something. Second thing is shampoo. 1 spoon of shampoo, mix it in water, 1 liter water, spray, they will immediately disappear. If you have any objection for shampoo, you can use kunkudukaya. What will you call it as kunkudukaya? Soap nut. Okay, they will go. Second thing, how many people are going chikudu? And that's what I am telling now. So that is called aphids. Black, small insects, very, very fastly they spread to the all plants. First spread very fastly. There is a lot of science in it. So to avoid that, many people are for neem oil, they will not go. Traditionally what they are doing is starch water. Starch water means, you know, rice. When that mix 1 tablespoon of neem oil, spray in the early morning, so that what will happen now, everything will fall down. That is also not working properly for many people. Third thing, a little difficult is called, okay, before going there, now in some places of AP have visited Andhra Pradesh, many people, you know, tobacco leaves, are they available here? Available, everybody will have this now, they will be available. Put tobacco leaves, mix it in the soil, you will never see these aphids, what you call, in your garden. You will never see. I have tried, I have written many articles also. The one advantage is that tobacco leaves, you put this all the plants, 99% of pests and insects will not attack. That is one advantage. As a pesticide, mix in the soil. BD. Not BD. Chutta. So, madam, I'm taking a lot of 1 minute. Let me complete that. 1 minute. Time. Hello. One more advantage beside no cigarette. Because it is what you call refined cigarette tobacco is, what I am talking, the tobacco is raw tobacco. It is our raw tobacco. Okay, one advantage is it works as a pesticide and insecticide. Second advantage is that it contains lot of phosphorus and potassium, which are very, very, very useful to the plants at the time of flowering and fruiting. Okay, I have taken enough time. Any doubts are there? Some more time. Okay, one more thing, one more doubt. Many people complaining for all the plants, fruit drop. Fruits are dropping. Especially, 1 minute, madam, only 1 minute. You see, drumstick plant, how many people are growing, no? Drumstick. So, lot of flower drop will be there. Why? Drumstick, mango, what you call pomegranate, lime, star fruit. Lot of this thing will be there. You see, this is basically due to excess watering during flowering stage. You have to stop watering during the flowering stage. Whatever excess water, at the same time you have to ensure that the soil is not dry, fully dry. That is the first thing. Instead of water, you can give any liquid fertilizer of your choice. Banana tea fertilizer, onion tea fertilizer, anything, Dravajivamritam, this thing. So that you can control the flower drop. So for any of these plants, the flower drop is mainly due to the excess watering. You have to take care of water management. Thank you once again for giving me a patient hearing and really a very, very grand, big gathering. I am really honored, very happy traveling all the way. I thank all the admins for all their efforts to making this meet a grand success. Thank you.